When should you use recursion for JavaScript functions? Have you ever wondered when it is best to use recursion in JavaScript functions? This technique can be quite handy, but knowing when to apply it is key. Let's break it down together. Recursion is most effective when a problem can be split into smaller, similar problems. If you can solve a task by having the same function call itself, then recursion is your friend. Think about tasks that involve hierarchical data, like trees or graphs. These structures often lend themselves well to recursive solutions. For example, if you want to traverse a nested object or process directories, recursion can simplify your code. Another common use is calculating factorials. A recursive function can call itself with a smaller number until it reaches 1, which is the base case. Speaking of base cases, they are essential in recursion. A base case is a condition that stops the function from calling itself endlessly. Without it, you risk running into Stack Overflow errors. For instance, if you create a function to sum numbers from a given number down to 1, it will keep calling itself with a smaller number until it hits 1. That's when it starts returning results back up the chain. When mastering JavaScript, understanding recursion is important. It offers a clean way to tackle repetitive tasks. It can also help manage complex workflows by breaking them into simpler steps. Plus, it gives you a better grasp of function calls and how JavaScript handles execution contexts. However, be cautious with recursion. If a problem can be solved easily with loops, it might be better to go that route. Loops can be more efficient and avoid potential performance issues. Always ensure your recursive functions have a well-defined base case to prevent infinite loops. So, when should you use recursion in JavaScript? Use it when the problem can be divided into smaller instances of the same problem. Make sure there is a clear base case to stop recursion. If the recursive approach leads to simpler and more readable code, that is a good sign. Lastly, if you are dealing with recursive data structures or algorithms that fit recursion naturally, go for it. Understanding how to define recursive functions, including the base condition and recursive call, is a fundamental skill in JavaScript. This knowledge supports various programming patterns and advanced problem-solving techniques in web development.